Welcome to the Everyday Health. Today, let us prepare a simple drink with coriander and fenugreek seeds which can effectively control the type 2 diabetes. Before that, let us discuss some uses and benefits of the coriander and the fenugreek seeds and also the basics of what is diabetes and the difference between type 1 and type 2 diabetes. First, let us discuss about fenugreek seeds. Fenugreek seeds are high in soluble fiber which helps lower blood sugar by slowing down digestion and absorption of carbohydrates. This is very effective in treating both type 1 and type 2 diabetes, lowering blood glucose level and improving blood tolerance. Other than treating diabetes, it is used to treat high cholesterol, skin problems, hair loss, constipation, heartburn, kidney ailments, etc. It is a rich source of vitamins, minerals and antioxidants and is used to stimulate the production of breast milk during childbirth. Next is the coriander seeds. This is rich in vitamin A, C and K and also calcium. It is rich in folic acid also and it helps to treat digestive disorders, helps prevent abdominal pain, minimize bad cholesterol, cures anemia and even helps in treating joint pains. When it comes to treating diabetes, it does exactly the same like the fenugreek seeds. It lowers blood sugar level and improves glucose tolerance. The coriander and the fenugreek seeds when combined and taken regularly will definitely lower your blood sugar level. So before preparing the drink, let us discuss some basics about diabetes. Diabetes are of two types, type 1 and type 2 diabetes. Both are chronic diseases that affect the way your body regulates blood sugar or glucose. Type 1 is a condition where your pancreas don't produce insulin and type 2 is the condition where they don't make enough insulin. The body's immune system is responsible for fighting off foreign invaders like viruses and bacteria. In type 1 diabetes, the immune system mistakes the body's own healthy cells for foreign invaders. The immune system thus attacks and destroys the insulin-producing beta cells in the pancreas. Once this is destroyed, the body is unable to produce insulin. But in case of type 2 diabetes, the body still produces insulin but it's unable to use it effectively. When you are a type 2 diabetic, your pancreas will try to produce more insulin which your body is unable to use it effectively, which leads to the accumulation of glucose in the bloodstream. So, type 2 diabetes can be controlled through proper diet and exercising. But for type 1 diabetes, insulin is a must as the body does not produce any insulin. Hope you all understand some basics of diabetes and now let us prepare a drink with the coriander and the fenugreek seeds. For this, first we are going to dry roast the fenugreek seeds. Take around half a cup of fenugreek seeds. Dry roast this well. Take time, keep it in a low flame and roast it till it changes its color. This is perfect. This is roasted well. So now let this cool down. By that time, let us roast the coriander seeds. Take 1 cup of coriander seeds. So if you are going to use 1 cup of coriander seeds, you have to use half a cup of fenugreek seeds. Again, keep it in a low flame and dry roast this well till it changes its color. Perfect. Let us take it out and let it cool. Next, let us grind this one by one. I am starting with the fenugreek seeds. This is ready. Let us transfer this into another bowl. Next is the roasted coriander seeds. Ready, I'm going to add this into the fenugreek seeds powder. Mix everything well and let this completely cool down. We are going to store this in an airtight container. Make sure you're mixing this properly. This is ready. You can store this in an airtight container. Next, let us see how to use this. Take 1 cup of water. To this, add 1 tablespoon of prepared powder. Let this boil. This has started boiling. Now reduce the flame. Keep it in the low flame. Our ultimate aim is to reduce this to quarter of the quantity. This is perfectly reduced. If you can bring this lot, it is perfect. Otherwise, you can reduce more. This is ready. Switch off the flame and allow it to cool. This has to be taken at least 15 minutes before food in the morning. If you are in the initial stages of type 2 diabetes, try taking this alone for a week and then check your sugar level. Because taking this along with the medicines might cause your blood sugar level to go down too low. So try using this regularly and monitor your blood sugar level, and once this suits you, you can continue this. Hope this is useful. We'll join you with another health tip, and don't forget to subscribe the channel.